What's going on? Jim here from Grassroots Drumming, and if you are interested in getting grooves down and rudiments and flams and techniques and getting skills built, you're at the right place. So thank you for checking out this channel. Flam in itself doesn't seem confusing, but once you start adding in different rhythms and different colors, if you're playing the drum set, it can get confusing. So in this video, I'm going to break the flam down for the new learner, and it'll be Flam-tastic.
Wow.
Sorry. All right, so the first thing we're going to talk about is the primary note. All right, and we can think of it, we can geek out here, we can think of it as a full stroke. That is our primary note. That is the note that gets counted in the rhythm. And that is what we think of as the big note. The very, very big note. And now the note before the big note is the grace note, the flam, which I think flams add a bit of a crispy sound. What do you think? By the way, are you flam challenged? Let us know in the comments if you wish. So the grace note of the flam is a very small note, as you can see. And it starts, I don't know, we'll say a ½ inch or so from the drum head, and it's a quiet note, and you don't want to think about having it as high as the other stroke. So in slow motion, I'm going to demonstrate it. So the lower note goes first, and then the big note, okay? And I say slow motion because some of us might have some coordination issues. Well, if we're playing the flam like this, that's sloppy, and I don't want to get too much into technique in this video, but doing that, you're going to have coordination nightmares, and you are not going to enjoy flams. What we're going to do now is we're going to just practice right hand up, and it's going to start up here and then down like that. We're going to call that a full stroke, and we can think of that as half notes if you wish, just 2 beats. 1, 2, 1, 2. And then we are going to put this note right below, excuse me, right before the primary note. 2, 2. It might be some common issues I've seen before. This might be happening with you or some of you watching, is when we're playing this, we kind of get used to drumming for a long time where we're just going back and forth. So you're going to do this, and then you might kind of bring that up high. So some great educators on YouTube will say basically you have a stick that's higher than the other one. The one that's low is the small note, so don't bring that up too high. You can think that way if that helps you. 2, 1, 2, and aim for that crispy sound. 2, 2. Avoid this when notes are being played together. That's not really a flam, it's kind of well, we'll just call it not a flam. I was going to say junky sound, but anything is a good sound. What? So if you are a left-hander, you're going to want to, excuse me, if you are a right-hander, when we get to the left hand, it's going to be a bit tricky. All right, same principle though. Now left hand is high up there, and you might want to just do a warm-up flam, warm-up flam. So we have that, and then big note. Grace note and that. And you only do this whatever, seconds, and then you try to put it closer together. Keep in mind, I've been teaching for a long time, and there are different techniques we can talk about, and there are some great guru educators on YouTube, but I'm speaking to a new learner where they just want to get some playing in. And if you want to get some more playing in, work on your controlled bounces, you want to check out this video. More about flam soon, but just practice those strokes for now. Bye-bye.